This cozy 4-bedroom, 1 3/4 bath home features a gas fireplace insert for perfect snuggling on winter nights. Kitchen has space for eat-in area and flows nicely with the home. Ramp access on the front of the home gives convenient access. Roof has a lot of life left, giving peace of mind. The large, paved driveway offers plenty of parking space in addition to the detached garage. Bonus room above the garage is perfect for storage or more. Beautiful yard has a fire pit and space for your summertime dreams.